Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'll be taking you on how to use Legend Intro Maker to create animation, either text animation or logo animation. Whichever kind of animation you want to create, you can use this app to create it. This is how the app looks like, Legend Intro Maker. So you can use your data to load these templates. Under the trending we have this, under the new we have this, special, suggested, animated. So let's start with choose from gallery. Just click on choose from gallery to choose your image to be your background or whatever you want to use as the background that you want to use for the animation. So let's just look for an image. Let's go with this. Alright. You can use this to crop it to the size you want. You can crop it to 4:3, 16:9, 7:5, and the freeze if you want to crop it yourself to the size you want it to be. You see? So I'll just go with 16:9 because that's the ratio for YouTube videos. That's the commonly used ratio for videos, 16:9. So you tick before you click on the mark option, the mark button. Let's try this rotation. You see, this is for rotating the picture. This second one is also for rotating by the left. Alright, so mark it. This is what we have right here. So after choosing your image, click on edit animation and choose the style you want your text to come in, your animation style for the text. See, let me choose this and see. You see that? So you see this. So that's how they will come. Choose the one you prefer. Just choose the one you prefer. Alright, let's just go with this. Let's just go with this. Let's go with this. Okay, so for the intro is if you want to change the background, that's the image you chose, and you want something else to be playing as the background, the video to be playing as the background. That's an animation, a video animation to play as the background, not an image, not a still image. Okay, so you will not see the image again once you click an intro. Let's go. Can you see the image is no more there? Image is no more there. The image is going off. This is what you will get as your intro. Okay, so let's go with that for the intro. For the fonts is if you want to change the font of the text, just click on it, click on sets, and then you see the font will change. Then the next one is text. Then you can edit the text here. You can edit the text here. Let's say hello in the subtext. Okay, let's use our business name and as the slogan, Glory Design, and the slogan, design your vision. Okay, that's that for that. And you can increase the size here, you can reduce the size here. See how it's going. So that's that for that. For the colors, if you want to change the background of the animation, just click on one of them. Just click one of them and it will change. When you choose an intro while editing the animation, if you choose an intro, color does not work on intros. Color does not work on intros. So the next one is background. We have the background. Background also does not work on intro. Animated. See, animated works for it. If you want to download more, just click on more, download. So the settings, if you want to change the size of the shape in the intro, see, you can see the difference. The text size, the shape size, moving. If you want the animation to move in horizontal, or you want it to move in, or you want it to move in vertical. And if you want to change the transparency of, if you want to reduce the opacity of the background, that is the transparency, or you want to increase it, that's what background opacity does. You see, once you increase it, you will not see it any longer, but when you reduce it, you will see it. Can you see the effect? Alright, and this is for the shape color. If you want to change the color to maybe red, you can choose a code, or you just use this to click OK. You see the shape is now changed. Alright, that is that for that. Let's go back to choose from gallery. So we have worked on that. Let's first choose one of the trending templates and work on it. Let's choose this. Alright, after downloading, click on it. You can see unlock speed. So click on edit animation, edit. Come as, see. Alright guys, we have love and life. So the next thing, don't choose intro because it will change the background. Remember that. Font, you can change the font, set it, and you see the font has changed. Okay, so for the text, you can edit the text, love and life. You can edit the text to whatever you want. Speed and accuracy, let's use that and get that. You can reduce the size, you can increase the size, you see. So let's leave the size at what it is before. Right. So we have speed and accuracy. For the next one, the color, if you click on the color, it will also change the background, it works on this. You see, it doesn't, when we use the intro, it did not work on intro, but it worked on this one. But you will not see the animation, the video animation anymore. This will just be your new background. And for this is background. If you want to also still change the background, this one will also change it for you. You can see that. Right, animated, this will remove the background also. You see, and this will work on the background opacity. If you want the text animation to come moving vertical or horizontal, and this is for the size, okay, and this is for the color. Let's not forget that. Alright, that's that for the trending. So this is the new special. You can use anyone under the new or the special, the suggested, the animated. Let's work on one of the animated. Let's use this. Alright, so we have Fast Furious. Click on edit animation. Don't forget, this is for the way you want the text animation to come in, and this is intro. Don't click on intro if you don't want to change the background. If you want to change the background, you can click on intro. Font is to change the font of the text, and text is to change, to type in your own text, to edit the text. This is also color, to change the background. Don't forget, background to also change the background. Animated is for animation, and this is for the settings of the animation. So now I want to give us something we will do. So I'll be working on one of these. Okay, I'll be using my own image from the background, so from my gallery. So I'll just choose an image. Let's use this. Okay, we can leave 16:9. Alright, take it, edit animation. So I don't want that text animation, I don't want that style. I'll choose another style. Alright, let's just go with this. So don't forget, the intro will change the background. So the font, just change the font to this, set. Okay, that's because I use that font for this image. So let's go back and change the image. I don't want to use that image. Sorry, I don't want this video to be too long. Let's just work on an image. Alright, alright, you see, 16:9. Click on it, edit animation. Just choose the way you want animation to come in. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this. So the intro, don't forget to change the background font. I think we should just leave that font that way. I'll just click on it and let's see. Okay, I'm going to lost data. Hope you see that you lost class data when I apply this font. Are you sure to apply font? So I might have to restart again and choose another image. It might give me the old image I have used before. So let's leave that the font that way. Then on the text, just type your company name. If you don't have a company name, you can use your name and a slogan. That's your slogan. Alright, you can increase the size if you want, but sometimes increasing the size will affect the animation. You see, it will not show all the text. See, so be careful with the size also. Be careful with the size. Okay, so that's that for that. And then for the color, you can just change the color. Don't forget, color changes the background. Alright, the assignment I'll be giving to you now is to pick an image, crop it to the size you want, but it should be 16:9. Edit the animation, choose the style of the animation, and then type in your company name and let's see, type in your company name, and slogan. You see? Alright, this is what we have here. Glowy design your vision. Okay, and so we don't need the color because we don't want to change the background. We don't need the background also. Animated, we don't need the animated also. We don't need it, so don't forget. Alright, and then the next thing to do after all that, just export. You choose the video resolution to export. 720, 1080 is the best, so choose any of them you want to. So I'll be choosing 1080, and it says do not close the app while exporting. And this is all about Legend Intro Maker. Good luck, guys.